What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Pixel Studio. It's another tutorial in Photoshop. So today I'll be showing you how to create front cover magazine or back cover. Let's get started. So this works for any image of your choice, provided the background is plain. So this is what we need to do. First of all, duplicate the layer. Let's duplicate the layer. Ctrl J to duplicate, and look, I'm going to use this one as a reference. And now, very important, you need to select your subject. So I'm going to go to select and then subject. Alright, so now we have a selection of our subject. Of course, we know some places are not selected, and even the hand, this side is not selected, but don't worry about that. Just hit Ctrl J to select, to create an empty layer so you can see what has been selected. I'm going to grab the other tool for selection, which is this quick selection, the quick selection tool, and I'm going to quickly select this side, and I'm going to mask it and invert. Ctrl I to invert the mask, and we have this. So just grab your brush tool and fix the places. Turn on the other layer, and we are back with our image, only that we have a duplicate of the subject on top. Alright, so now whatever you type it below this layer. So just grab the text tool and then type what you want. For this one, I'm going to type vogue. So with this front Beverly old face, like this, and take it all the way up till we can see the G. So vogue, and then I'm gonna hit the good button. I'm gonna position it anywhere we like, by the way. So let's create another text to grab the text and now type. Again, for this one, I'm going to type in anything. So I just typed in just a random word, yeah, like this, and I'm going to go inside and just adjust the text just a little bit. I'm going to increase some new, like Miami. I'm going to increase this to like 60, so we can do this. Let's take it to somewhere like 48. Okay, and then get in California. I'm going to use this model, then increase it also to, let's say, 36. So I'm going to push it behind her and make it bigger. Go to the text character, and from 8.8 I'm going to increase it to 60, and we have it like this. One, and this last one is just another text. Now create a text. It's going to be like that. Just pick and move till it gets to the center, and there we go. So make this somewhere like this. Alright, so this is how to create a front magazine of your choice, and